Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we can say in the 50 years of Microsoft, if we look at Windows, is that one of the big winners, I think, of its operating system has been Windows 10. To the point where, for the first time, we are faced with a operating system that, with 6 months left to its free support, it's still more than 50% of computers. This is a number that's never been seen in any Windows operating system before. Windows 10 has a lot of firsts, a lot of things that redefined Windows. The first one, partly, by the way, coming from Windows 8, but Windows 10 definitely changed some of the rules. For the first time, we had an operating system that, if you wanted, because that had never been done before, if you wanted, you could go and upgrade an existing computer for free. That was interesting. That was a new concept. Microsoft giving away Windows, sort of. We know that there are little loopholes, things like ads, but overall, that was a new concept. Want to move on for free? Hey, we're giving it away. The second concept, of course, was the new notion, a new phrase came into our vocabulary, which was Windows as a service. Windows was not anymore a operating system that you buy every 2 years and you get the latest one. Windows 10 was the design of we make this operating system better as time goes by. We're able to add features and add new things to it all the time. It's a evolving operating system. Some people called it an unfinished product, but it's not true. Windows 10 is pretty much a finished product when you look at it, even though it has a lot of things that, could be fixed and changed. But overall, it was a Windows that evolved over time. And that was also kind of a new concept, because we were before that with operating systems that once they were past their lifespan, there are things that couldn't be added or changed in the way that they designed it. It still looks quite modern, honestly, when you look at Windows 10. It still looks interesting. The live tiles that are here, we don't have them in Windows 11. There are some things in Windows 11, it's like going backwards. The start menu in Windows 10, honestly, I always found it to be pretty nice, pretty cool, and very customizable. Something that's not the case in Windows 11, I can tell you that. I think this is one of the main reasons people don't want to move on. We got something that works, and that's great. Something that was optimized also, that even older computers could run it. This is in itself a revolution for Windows. And there were errors, there were mistakes. The 2 updates per year type of, updates they wanted, that couldn't be done. That never could have worked. And why 2 or 3 when everybody else does one a year? Mac does one a year. With OS X, Android does one a year. Why do you want to do 2 or 3? It just annoys people more than anything else. So it wasn't perfect. There were mistakes along the way, but there were definitely some good times. I think Windows 10 could be, for me, I was waiting for Windows 11 when it arrived because I was curious. But the excitement, the last real exciting operating system for me was waiting for Windows 10. And a bunch of us were there back then with this channel, which is kind of cool when you think about it. And I mean, it had a good run, 10 years. It had its ups and downs. It introduced a assistant for the first time, Cortana. But I think overall, Windows 10 is a winner. It's up there in the best of the best. So, once again, this is one of the success stories in Microsoft's 50 years. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.